In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Typeform landing page. First, open your preferred web browser and head to typeform.com. This is where you'll create interactive forms and surveys that look great on any device. If you think you'll be using it often, consider bookmarking the page so you can return quickly later. Next, log into your account. If you're new to Typeform, create an account by following the on-screen prompts. It's quick, and once you're in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. Take a second to notice the layout. Navigation on the left, your projects in the middle, and key actions easy to find. Now click the Create button in the top left corner. This is your starting point for building something new. You'll be asked how you want to begin. You can choose Start from Scratch if you already know the questions you want to ask and prefer full control over every detail. Or pick Use Typeform AI if you'd like a head start. With AI, you provide a short description of your goal, and it generates a draft form that you can edit. Either option is fine. Go with what feels easiest for you. Once you're in the editor, begin building your form by adding questions and customizing them. Keep questions clear and concise to reduce drop-off. You can choose different question types, like short text responses for quick answers or multiple choice for structured options. Rename your form at the top so it's easy to recognize later. For each question, adjust labels, descriptions, and whether an answer is required. Style the look and feel by choosing a theme, tweaking colors, and adding a cover image to match your brand or purpose. As you build, use the preview to see how everything appears to respondents. Typeform autosaves, but it's a good habit to pause and review your flow as you go. When your form is ready, click Share in the top right corner of the editor. This opens the sharing panel with options to get your landing page URL. Click Copy Link. This copies your unique form link to your clipboard, which is the exact URL you'll give to participants. Finally, open that link in your browser to see your landing page live. This is the public-facing view of your form. Take a quick walkthrough, check that the questions read smoothly, and confirm the design looks good on your screen. If something needs a tweak, return to the editor, make your changes, and refresh the live page to see your updates. That's it, your Typeform is live and ready to share.